Welcome back to Better Kansas City. If you think Thai food isn't for you because it's too spicy, well, forget about it. We got Pam Liberda, executive chef for Waldo Thai Place Restaurant, here to educate us on Thai food and show us how to make a salad unlike anything I've ever had before. We practiced saying it beforehand, but can you say it one more time?
Khao thot nam sot.
Khao thao nam soy?
Nam sot.
Nam soy.
Yes.
Okay. So I said it once there, so we're fine. We'll just copy and paste that for the rest of the interview. But no, what are we making here, and kind of where are we going to get started?
Well, we can start khao thot nam sot. This is the finishing product. So it's a crispy rice salad with the cured pork sausage.
Okay.
So the khao thot is named khao. It means rice. Thot it means fries. So kind of like fried rice or the crispy rice, and nam sot is a cured sauce.
Is the
pork
sausage? Oh, okay. So khao.
Khao thot nam sot. Yes.
Okay. There we go.
So
I'm slowly but surely getting there. So why did you pick this dish to showcase here in Better Kansas City today?
Well, this dish is a dish that every time we get together as a family, gather together, and that was the dish that we always eat. And so when we have the restaurant at Waldo Thai, and we decide that we should put the dish on our menu.
Okay. So I've heard that prior to the restaurant life, you were also a nurse and an ENT nurse. Is that right?
ENT nurse, yes.
Is there any similarities between the nursing profession over to the restaurateur, executive chef profession?
No, actually, I would say the love and the passion.
The love and the passion.
The love and the passion.
Okay.
And the hardworking.
That's good. It's good to carry that over. That's awesome.
Yes.
All right. Well, let's get to making some food here. Khao
thot. So I will show you how to make the khao thot first.
Okay.
So we will start with the rice. So this is the jasmine rice that we already
rice? Okay.
And it's already been leave in the room temperature. So this is about 2 cups of rice. And we're gonna add all these ingredients in here. So we have here is I would say coconut flake.
Oh wow. Okay.
Put it all together here. And this is the kaffir lime leaf. So the leaf is look like that. So we kind of chop it up this way.
Okay.
So just put a little bit in there.
What's some of the most used ingredients in Thai cooking?
I would say it's the garlic, ginger, Thai chili, cilantro, and mint.
Okay. Which
and
that's coming in a little bit later here.
Yeah,
isn't
a little bit later.
Okay.
Yes, on that. And I just add a little sugar in here. And this is the main ingredient of the dish is a red curry paste.
Okay.
And just put it all together. And 1 egg.
How do you learn to break an egg with one hand? That's one thing I need to ask a chef someday, because I still can't do it.
Well, practice
makes perfect.
Yes, always. Practice makes perfect. But you have to be in the kitchen more.
Yeah. Well, I do cook a lot here in the kitchen in Better Kansas City. I'm not going to lie. And at home, too. But so why do you think there's a stereotype that all Thai food has to be spicy?
And I don't know why, but I think that's from the beginning, I think the dish that is introduced to the people, it should be all the spice stuff that we have, and it can be some curry. And the curry is, it's just like this curry paste. Yeah, it is a little spicy. And that possibly become the most popular dish back then.
Yeah.
So it's become like, oh, everything has to be spicy, but it's actually not. We eat as a balanced meal. So we eat, some of the stuff will be non-spicy, and some of the spicy, we kind of balance it together.
Okay.
And some of the stuff like this salad, we have every flavor into it. You have a saltiness, and you have a sour, and from the lime, so later on we will do that.
Okay.
And a little sweetness from the sugar.
Well, we only got about 30 seconds left here. So
and this one is, I'm gonna make it as a ball, like that.
Okay.
And I will take this out. And after that, we're gonna fry this ball.
So they'll fry
the rice ball.
And they'll come up looking like
it's
this
coming look up like
right?
this. Yes.
Okay.
And I will take off this glove.
Okay.
And we will go to the new one.
All right.
And now we're gonna do all of the salad and put it together here. And we're gonna start with the crispy rice here.
Okay. Well, I think we're going to run out of time here, so let's go ahead and just show them kind of the end product here. And we got all these ingredients mixed up with the rice. That you break apart the rice bowl there, right, with all the rest of the ingredients here. Real quick, I want to know what this.
It's a dry Thai chili.
That's the dry. Okay.
And we actually can put it all together real quick for you here. Just like that, and all put together.
All right. Well, we got to go ahead and wrap up, but we're definitely going to have to swing by your place and check it out here. And I'm going to go ahead and try some during the break. So thank you very much for being here, Pam.
Thank
we do appreciate it. We are back right after this.